Right. Good evening, children.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, let's start with dictation. Right. Only 6 words for dictation? Ayyo, didn't I send you the other 2? No. Okay. So, I think you all have finished writing, isn't it? Raise hand if you are finished writing. Let's not waste any time. I think we can mark. You can lower your hand, right? Thank you. Sphere. Fume. Rust. Context. Gratitude. Spark. Okay. I think you all have got all marks. No need to check, right? Okay. Pasindu.
5 mark.
Okay. Kavisha. No. Ravisha.
6 teacher.
Okay, very good. Binali. 6. Very good. Umesha.
6 teacher.
Very good. Pratashi. Pratashi. Satini. Pratashi 6.
teacher.
Very good.
Six.
Okay, very good. Kavidi. 6. Very good. Chamidu.
60.
Very good. Tilan.
6 teacher.
Very good. Niketa.
6 teacher.
Very good. Udari.
6 teacher.
Okay. Sulaksha.
6 teacher.
Right. Very good. Okay. Let's go to the pupils book. Do we have homework? No, right? Did I give you any homework last week? I did not note down them. Homework. No, right. Thank you, Sulaksha. Okay. So today I will do some lessons in the pupils book and do some part of the relative clauses, right? Okay. So take your pupils book, page number 68. Page number 68. Leisure. Page number 68, leisure. Okay. Ravisha, can you read the poem?
Okay, teacher. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the
Bows.
bough and stare as long as sheep and cows, no time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, no time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies, and at night, no time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance, no time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began, a poor life this if, full of care, we have no time to stand and stare.
Okay. Thank you, Ravisha. This is something different from what I always say, right? What I always say, work hard, work hard, work hard. Set a goal, have a determination, work hard, work hard. That is what I always say. Right? But in this poem, there is a totally different idea. It's about leisure. You know, leisure is viveka, right? Leisure. What is this life? What is this life? මොකද්ද මේ ජීවිතේ? If full of care. Care කරන්න දේවල් ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. What is the meaning? Care. We care for our family. We care for our school. We care for our studies. Care. අපිට බලා ගන්න, රැක බලා ගන්න, වැඩ කරන්න දේවල් full of ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. We have no time to stand and stare. Stare means බැල්ම. His බැල්මකින් ඔහේ බලාගෙන ඉන්න. We have no time. We have no time to stand and stare. Stare means ඔහේ බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. No time to stand beneath the boughs. B-O-U-G-H. Bough means branches. Shaka, atu. No time to stand beneath the boughs. ගහක් යටට වෙලා හිටගෙන ඉන්න අපිට වෙලාව නැහැ. And stare as long as sheep and cows. You know, after eating sheep and cow, they sit under a tree, then rest, chewing their grass. Right? That is what they do. But we do not have time like that. Stare as long as sheep and cows. Sheep, cows වගේ අය වගේ එච්චර වෙලාවක් අපිට බලාගෙන ඉන්න විදියක් නැහැ. No time to see. When woods we pass කරනවා පසු කර යනවා. Wood means ලදු කැලෑ. කුඩා කැලෑවල් පසු කරගෙන යද්දි බලන්න වෙලාවක් නැහැ අපිට. Where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. You know, squirrels ලේන්නු, right? ඒගොල්ලෝ ඇට ಜಾති ගෙනහිල්ලා හංගනවා. මේවා හංගන තැන් බලන්න. We do not have time. No time to see in broad daylight. Broad means palala. We say broad shoulders. Honda palala urahis. Right? Broad road. Bohoma palala para. Broad means palala. Broad daylight. Daylight means Diwali. Api sinhalen kiyane mahadawale. right? So no time to see in broad daylight. Streams full of stars like skies at night. Stream kuda diya pahara. Streams full of stars. Taru pirila wage hariyata. Skies at night. Raya ahasa wage. You can imagine the picture when the sunlight come to the stream. The pebbles, the small stones under the water glitter. අර සමහර සින්දුවලදී ගංගාවල් පෙන්නද්දි තරු වගේ දිලිසෙනවා පෙන්නන්නේ, right? That is the idea here. Streams full of stars like skies at night. රෑ අහස තරු වගේ දියපාර දිලිසෙනවා. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Glance means balm. ලස්සන කෙනෙක්ගේ beauty means ලස්සන කාන්තාව. No time to see. Sorry, no time to turn at beauty's glance. ලස්සන කෙනෙක් අපි දිහා බැලුවම එයා දිහා හැරිලා බලන්න. Turn වෙන්න. අපිට වෙලාවක් නැහැ. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Beauty means ලස්සන කාන්තාව. Glance balm. ලස්සන කාන්තාවක් අපි දිහා බැලුවොත් එයා දිහා turn වෙලා හැරිලා බලන්න අපිට වෙලාවක් නැහැ. And watch her feet. How they can dance. Watch her feet. How they can dance. Feet. එයාගේ පාද කොහොමද නටන්නේ කියලා බලන්න අපිට time එකක් නැහැ. Watch her feet. එයාගේ පාද නරඹන්න. Watch her feet. How they dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. It's one meaning. No time to wait. No time to wait. බලන් ඉන්න වෙලාවක් නැහැ. Her mouth can enrich. Enrich means පොහොසත් කරනවා, right? Her mouth can enrich. එයාගේ කටින් පොහොසත් කරනවා. Smile. Her eyes began. Eyes began. As වලින් පටන් ගත්ත smile එක කටෙන් තමයි එළියට එන්නේ. පොහොසත් වෙන්නේ. What is the meaning? as දෙක දීප්තිමත් වෙලා කටින් hina වෙන්නේ. Smile මද සිනහව, right? අපි කියන්නේ as වලිනුත් කතා කරනවා, as වලිනුත් hina වෙනවා කියලා. ඒතර hinaව පටන් ගන්න as වල ඒක කටින් ප්‍රකාශ කරනවා. මේවා බලන්න මේකට wait වෙන්න. එච්චර වෙලා බලන් ඉන්න අපිට time නැහැ. A poor life this. Poor harima asarana. Poor duppat, yes, another meaning asarana. A poor boy kiwat duppat pirimi lameyek wennat pulan ane paw asarana lameya. That meaning also there, right? Poor asarana. A poor life this. If full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. Okay. Did I went fast? Did you get the meaning of the poem? Did I went fast? Mang explain kala fast වැඩිද? Because you have to do the questions yourselves. Let's check one more time again. If you had signal problem or whatever, or if I was very fast. Pleasure. What is this life? If full of care. Care means බලා කියා ගන්න දේවල්. Full. ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. මොකද්ද මේ life එක? We have no time to stand and stare. Stare means බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. හිටගෙන බලාගෙන ඉන්න. We have no time. No time to stand beneath the bough. Beneath means under. යට. Beneath the boughs. ගස්වල අතු. Bough means අත්ත. ගහක් යටට වෙලා ඉන්න අපිට හිටගෙන ඉන්න අපිට වෙලා නැහැ. And stare means බලන් ඉන්නවා, right? Stare as long as sheep and cows. Sheep, cow ඒගොල්ලෝ කාලා ඉවර වෙලා බොහොම rest එකේ මේක වමාරලා ආපහු විකනවා, right? හොඳට. එහෙම time එකක් අපිට නැහැ. No time to see when woods we pass. Woods පොඩි කැලෑවල් අපි pass කරගෙන පසු කරගෙන යද්දී no time to see where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Squirrels ලේන්නු grass වල. grass අතරේ ඇට జాති ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ හංගන්නේ කොහෙද කියලා බලන්න අපිට වෙලාවක් නැහැ. What is the meaning? We do not have time to explore nature, right? No time to see in broad daylight. Mahadavale, streams full of stars like skies at night. Streams. Diya para lassanta taru wage dilisenawa, hasa taru wage, right? Mewa balanna apita time ekak ne. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Lassana කාන්තාවකගේ glance means බැල්ම. ලස්සන කෙනෙක් බැලුවොත් එයා දිහා හැරිලා බලන්න අපිට time නැහැ. And watch her feet, how they dance. එයාගේ පාද දිහා බලන්න ඒවා කොච්චර ලස්සනට dance කරනවද කියලා. What is that meaning? We do not have time for entertainment, right? විනෝදාස්වාදයටත් අපිට වෙලාවක් නැහැ. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. Eyes wala began පටන් ගත්ත smile එක mouth cutting පොහොසත් වෙනවා. cutting ප්‍රකාශ වෙනවා. No time to see that. A poor life this. හරිම අසරණ life එකක් මේක. If full of care, we have no time to stand and stare, right? This poem says how industrious we are. අපි කොච්චර කාර්ය බහුලද, how busy we are, right? Okay, so it tells you to pause පොඩි විරාමයක් අරගෙන enjoy the nature, entertainment and relax our life. Okay, right. So now I explained the poem for second time also. I think you can do the activity. Stand and stare. Okay, all of you write the complete question and the correct answer. Don't write the answer only. We do not do that. You write the question and the correct answer. Don't have to write all the selections, all the 4 answers for question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, write the question and the correct answer. Question number 5, find the rhyming words in the poem. සම්පූර්ණ ප්‍රශ්නෙම නැතත් rhyming words කියන වචනේ හරි ලියලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Question number 5. Number 6. This poem, number 6, carefully listen. This poem creates, නිර්මාණය කරනවා, a lot of images in our mind. What are they? Right? If you listen to the poem nicely, attentively, අවධානයෙන් listen කරා නම් ඔයාට දැනටමත් image එන්නේ නැති. Example, stand under the branch of green trees. So when you read the poem, you imagine green trees and who is under there. Actually two who are under there. So when you hear those words, you imagine. Right? ගහක් යට ඉඳගෙන බැටළුව රංචුවක්, එළදෙන්නු රංචුවක්, තලු මර ඉන්න ඔයාට imagine වෙන්නේ නැති. So there are some other lines also you can imagine. If I give you the number, this example you have to complete. It is not complete, right? The example you have to complete. Sheep and cows are sitting there. Sheep and cows are sitting under the tree. That is also go to the example. Then there is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another 4 pictures you can imagine, right? So another 4 pictures are there. Number 7 is another part of lesson, another part of literature. Number 7 don't do now. Let's discuss 1 to 6 first and then do number 7. Okay, number 6 check again. Poem එක කියවද්දි ඔයාගේ හිතේ imagination මනෝරූප මැවෙන්නේ මොන lines වලටද? You have to write those lines. ඒ line එක තමයි ලියන්න ඕනේ. Right? ඒ line එක කියවද්දි ඔයාගේ හිතේ මනෝරූපයක් ඇඳෙන්න ඕනේ. Okay, you try. You can ask any difficult things. I will help you. Go to the writing book, activity 11. 1 to 4, don't do any shortcuts. You write the question and the correct answer. Okay. Okay. So question number 1. Stand and stare in line 2 means relax and look around us, do nothing, stand in one place, stare at something. So the meaning here is answer A. 1A, relax and look around us. නිකම්ම stare at something මොකක් හරි දිහා ඔහේ බලාගෙන ඉන්න කියන එක නෙමෙයි කියන්නේ. Relax and look around us, right? That is the main idea of the poem. According to the poet, why can't we see where squirrels hide nuts? Because they run away when they see us. We are too busy to stop and enjoy the beauty of nature. We dislike animals. There are no squirrels in the woods. කැලෑවෙලේන්නු නැති නිසාද? No. We are too busy. We are too busy to stop and enjoy the beauty of nature. Question number 3. Streams full of stars like skies at midnight means stars are reflected in the streams at midnight. Reflect means පිළිබිඹු වෙනවා, පරාවර්තනය වෙනවා. Stars reflected in the stream at midnight. මධ්‍යම රාත්‍රියේදී තරුවල ආලෝකය පරාවර්තනය වෙනවලු. No, it's not midnight. Broad daylight. මහදවාලේ මේ scene එක වෙන්නේ. Question B, answer B. When the rays of the sun ray, hiru kirana, when the rays of the sun fall on the streams, the stones beneath means under, yata. Stones beneath glitter like stars in the sky. So that is the answer. Let's check C and D also. Stones in the stream in the area are shaped like stars? No. Shooting stars fall into the streams at night. Shooting star means Valga Taru, right? Kadagena Matena Taru. No, not that. Which is, this is not a theme. The word important, not. Right? So you have to find the wrong answer. The importance of leisure, meaning relaxing and appreciating nature. Appreciate, admire, agaya karanama. It's a meaning. The beauty of nature, meaning idling and wasting time. Idle, I-D-L-E. Idle means ibagate yanama. You say, right? No exact purpose. Aramunak natuwa ibagate yanama is idle. Idling and wasting time. No, that is not the meaning. That is not we are talking about. Idling and wasting time. කාලේ නාස්ති කිරීමවත් ඔහේ ඇවිදගෙන යාමවත් නෙමෙයි. Importance of leisure, relaxing and appreciating nature, the beauty of nature, right? Those are the themes. Find the rhyming words in the poem. Care, stare, bows, cows, bows, cows, pass, grass, daylight, night, glance, dance, glance, dance. This one, the correct pronunciation is dance, right? But still I don't know how to say that. I am very used to say dance. අපි dance කියලාමනේ කියන්නේ right dancing room dancing period dancing competition but the correct pronunciation in the Malalasekara dictionary is dance. And if you listen to an Englishman, he will also say dance. Right? The correct, I know, මමත් දන්නවා මේක pronunciation එක dance කියලා. නමුත් අපි චූටි කාලේ ඉඳලාම dance කියලාම පුරුදු වෙලා dance කියන්නේ කියවෙන්නෙම නැහැ, right? But remember the correct pronunciation is dance. Dancing. Okay? It's not dancing. Right. But most of the Sri Lankans say dance, right? It's not correct. Remember, dance is the correct word. So, glance, dance. Can began. Can began. Care, stare. Okay, number 6, another important question. This poem creates a lot of images in our mind. What are they? Now don't tell me, Ane teacher, I don't see any images. මට නම් කිසිම රූපයක් පේන්නේ නැහැ. Don't, right? There are very beautiful images. Example, you can continue. Stand under the branches of green trees. You can continue that. Sheep and cows. Sheep and cows under trees. Sheep and cows under trees. I think you all know about this word sheep, deer, fish. If you are not sure, write somewhere. All these 3 animals, the singular and plural, the same, right? 1 sheep, many sheep. 1 deer, 5 deer, no deers. 1 fish, a lot of fish. Okay, so remember that both the singular and plural are the same. If you are not sure, write somewhere. එක වචන බහු වචන දෙකම එකයි. වාගේ භාෂාවෙන් ලියා ගන්න. Or you can write singular and plural are the same. Sheep, deer, fish. There are a lot of other words, but these are the most common one, right? අපි නිතර පාවිච්චි කරන 3 දෙනෙක් මේගොල්ලෝ. තව වචන කීපයක් තියෙනවා. Okay, so sheep and cows under trees. You can imagine that picture. Next one, woods. Or passing woods. Passing woods. You can imagine that you are in a bus passing the Sinharaja forest, going Kataragama. Lot of forests, woods, jungles are there, right? So you can imagine that picture. You are looking through the window, right? Window of the bus. Passing woods, and squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Squirrels hide their nuts in grass. You can imagine. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ චූටි අත් දෙකෙන් ඇට වර්ග අරගෙන දුවනවා. ඔයාලට imagine කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? ගිහිල්ලා මේවා අර අත් දෙකෙන් පෙරලලා තනකොළ ඇස්සේ හංගනවා. You can imagine. And next one, broad daylight. Broad daylight. The sun is brightly shining on the green trees. Broad daylight. It's not evening. It's not morning. The soft sun. Broad daylight means very hot, very bright sun. You can imagine. Everything is very bright. Broad daylight. Next one, streams full of stars. Streams full of stars, like skies at night. Here you have two pictures, two photographs, streams full of stars. You can imagine that glittery water, right? සමහර ඔය visual වල song visual වල එහෙම තියෙන්නේ දියපාර දිලිසෙනවා තරු කැට වගේ. That is the first one. Second one, sky at night. Right? You can imagine the sky at night with thousands, millions of stars are there glittering. Right? There are two photos. Next one. If you did not write any of the answers, please write them. Okay? You can write in blue pen, no problem. Blue or red. All these are very important. Next one, beauty's glance. Beauty's glance. You can imagine a beautiful girl is looking at you just for 1 second and she turns away. 1 second, right? මොහොතකට ලස්සන girl කෙනෙක් ඔයා දිහා බලනවා. One glance, right? Glance means බලාගෙන ඉන්නව නෙමෙයි. බැල්ම, quick. Beauty's glance. Next one, her feet dance. Her feet dance. You can write this copying from the book also. Watch her feet, how they can dance. Right? You can copyright that line. Oh, her feet dance. Next one. The smile begins in the eyes and comes out from the mouth. Right? Her smile begins in the eyes and comes to the mouth. This is the idea I wrote. You can copy the sentence. Her mouth can enrich that smile. Her eyes began. You can copy from the pupil's book. Her mouth can enrich that smile. එයාගේ කටට පුළුවන් පෝසත් කරන්න ඇහි ඇස්වල පටන් ගත්ත සිනහව, right? මද සිනහව. So what is the picture? Very gleaming. Gleaming means දිලිසෙන, right? දිලිසෙන ඇස් දෙකක දීප්තිය පටන් අරගෙන කටෙන් මද සිනහවක් පානවා. The beautiful girl. Okay. Before going to question number 7, I am going to disconnect you. And I think you may have to write some ideas here also. Join again, please. Okay, all are there. So let's go to number 7. Read the given explanation and answer the questions based on the poem. Maybe I will just read, right? I don't explain much. You all see if you can understand. Stanza. What is a stanza? A group of lines in poetry that forms a smaller unit by themselves. A group of lines in poetry, Kaviyaka, that forms a smaller unit. Unit එකක් කියන්නේ ඒකකයක්, right? By themselves. Some examples for stanzas. There are few types. වර්ග කීපයක් තියෙනවා stanzas. Couplet. Couplet is a stanza with 2 rhyming lines. Next one, quatrain. A stanza with 4 lines that may or may not rhyme. Quatrain is a stanza with 4 lines. They may be rhyming or may be not rhyming. 4 lines. Next is a simile. Simile is an expression. Expression means adahas prakasha kirima, right? Expression that compare 2 different things, showing similarities. Simile is an expression that compare 2 different things, showing similarities. There are 2 boys. They are different. But you can say Sandun is as clever as Nuwan. They are different in many other fields. One is tall, one is short, one is fat, another one fair, and this one is very dark skin. They have lot of differences, but one quality they have in common. Right? So, Sandun is as clever as Nuwan. So, what is the simile? As clever as. Okay. Another one you can take coconut tree and jack tree. Are they similar? No, totally different. But you can say coconut tree is as useful as the jack tree. Because when we talk about their usefulness, we can say they are both equally useful. Right? So what is the simile? As useful as. Okay? So it's a simile. Repetition. Repetition. Repeating a word. Praise. Praise එකක් කියන්නේ වාක්‍ය කොටසක්. Word or praise. A line or stanza. To draw attention to an idea. If you remember the song, this is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. So there is lot of repetition. Brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. And when you go to the second one, this is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning. So when you go to the second one, this is the way we, early in the morning. Again, repetition. Right? So in that simple poem, lot of repetition are there. So the children can easily understand, easily remember. Right? So I think you understand what is repetition. Repeating a word, phrase, line or stanza, sampurna kaviyakma, to draw attention to an idea. Now the questions. How many stanzas are there in this poem? So, දැනගන්න ඕනේ stanza එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? How many stanzas are there in this poem? What type of stanzas are they? You can look here in the rectangle. There are 2 types, couplet, quatrain. So the stanzas in this poem, are they couplets or quatrains? මේ දෙකෙන් කොයිකද? Are there any similes used in this poem? Simile එකක් කියන එක මම ඔයාලට කිව්වා. මේ poem එකේ simile තියනවද? So first you have to write yes or no. Are there any similes in this poem? Yes or no? What are they? If you write yes, then you have to write what are they? මොනවද similes? Is repetition used in this poem? Yes or no? මේ poem එකේ repetition use කරලා තියනවද? Yes or no? Then you have to show some examples. What are the repeated words? You have to write what are the repeated words. Okay, now you do number 7. I did not explain in Sinhala much. Let's see you understood. Sinhalen පැහැදිලි කරන්න ඕන නම් කියන්න අනිවාර්යෙන් මම පැහැදිලි කරනවා. අපි බලමු. Let's see you can do it. If you have any difficult word or any problem, you can write a message to chat, right? I am here. If not, you can try. Please write the questions. Raise hand again if you are finished writing. Okay. How many stanzas are there in this poem? Before that, you have to see what is a stanza. A group of lines in poetry that forms a similar, smaller unit by themselves. Ekaka. Ekaka. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 2 by 2, right? Rhyming කරලා තියෙන්නේ පේලි දෙකෙන් දෙක. එතකොට unit එකක් කියන්නේ පේලි දෙකක්. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stanzas. 7. Question B. What type of stanzas are they? They are couplets, 2 rhyming lines. They are couplets. Are there any similes in this poem? Yes. What are they? As long as. As long as. Like skies at night. Like skies at night. That's all. So simile means upamaava, right? Meka me wage. Is repetition used in this poem? Show some example. Repetition, yes. What are the repeated words? Full of care. Full of care. You can see that in the first line and the line before the last one. Full of care, full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. We have no time to stand and stare. The second line and the last line. Another one, no time. No time to stand, no time to see, no time to turn, no time to wait. So the third one is no time. No time. Okay. So 3 repetition phrases are there. Activity 12. Practice this conversation with your friend. Ticket clerk and Mrs. Ganeshan. Okay. Binali is the ticket clerk. Umesha is Mrs. Ganeshan. Can you read? Mrs. Ganeshan found Star Cinema, a movie theater, to book some tickets to watch a film. So she is going to book some tickets. Okay.
Good evening. Star ticket.
Theater. Star theater.
Good evening. Can I reserve some tickets for the 2:30 show of the Mountain Adventures on the 10th?
I'm sorry, madam. They are all sold out.
Is that so? Do you have any tickets available for the other shows?
Yes, madam. There are tickets available for the 4:30 and 6:30 shows.
That's great. Could you tell me the prices, please?
Certainly, balcony tickets are 13 rupees, 300 rupees. The others are priced at 115 and 215 rupees.
Is there a booking fee?
No, madam.
I would like to book for 250 rupee tickets.
May I know your name, please?
Ganeshan.
How would you like to pay? In cash or by credit card?
In cash, can I pay when I collect the tickets?
Yes, madam. Please
Purchase.
purchase your ticket before 5:30 p.m. Otherwise, the booking will for cancel.
Cancel.
I understand.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, so it's really a telephone conversation, right? We are not in the real class. You all are talking by telephone, right? Very good, but it's like reading, not speaking. See, the activity 12 is for speaking, not reading, right? So you have to speak lively, not read the book. Good evening, Star Theatre. Good evening. Can I reserve some tickets for the 2:30 show of the Mountain Adventures on the 10th? I'm sorry, madam. They are all sold out. Is that so? Ahmed, is that so? Do you have any tickets for the other shows? Yes, madam. There are tickets available for the 4:30 and 6:30 shows. Available means at the Tianama. That's great. Could you tell me the prices, please? Certainly. Nisakavama. Yes, certainly. Nisakavama. Balcony tickets are 300 rupees. The others are priced at 150 and 250 rupees. Is there a booking fee? No, madam. I'd like to book for 250 rupee tickets. May I know your name, please? Ganeshan. Ganeshan. How would you like to pay? In cash or by credit card? In cash. Can I pay when I collect the tickets? Ticket එක හම්බුනාම pay කරන්නද? Yes, madam. Please purchase. Write the meaning buy. Purchase means buy. මිලදී ගන්නවා. Please purchase your tickets before 5:30 p.m. Otherwise, නැත්නම් this booking will be cancelled. I understand. Thank you. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Okay, so listening test. Yeah, we will do the listening test, but before that, activity 14. Mark it for homework. Activity 14. You all must write. Okay, everyone must write and practice. You have 4 selections. Write a telephone conversation for one of these situations. You write only one. No need to write all the 4, but you must write one. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එකක් ලියන්න. Okay. To reserve train tickets, you can call to Panadura rail station or Colombo Fort. Colombo Kotua, right? Colombo Fort railway stations to reserve train tickets to Jaffna, Kandy, Galle, Matara or whatever. Right? You can ask about the trains. Samudra Devi, Yal Devi, Udaratta Manike or whatever trains. Right? Okay. So also you can write there is observation. Observation carriage. Narambum Madiriya. Right? What tickets reserve karanna puluwan. Oh, and AC compartment eka. AC compartment, right? Or normal compartment eka. Right. Next one, to make appointment to visit the planetarium during your trip to Colombo. So for this question, you can imagine that you are the class teacher. You are taking your students to Colombo visit, and on the way, on the journey, you are going to visit the planetarium too. So you can ask tickets for how much for teachers, adults prices and the school children's prices, right? You can imagine that you are the class teacher or the class monitor, right? Anyway. So you are visiting the planetarium. කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ කොළඹ trip එක අතරේදී planetarium එක බලන්න. But remember, you have to mention the time. It's very important because the planetarium, they have to plan the seating capacity. right? This much of capacity they can fill at a time. අපි හිතමු 300 students ලට වාඩි වෙන්න පුළුවන් නම් දැන් මේ වෙද්දිත් appointment එක දාලා තියෙනවා නම් මෙච්චර number එකක් ඉතුරු සංඛ්‍යාවට ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ සංඛ්‍යාව match වෙන්න ඕනේ. over capacity ගන්න බෑ ළමයිව ගෙනහිල්ලා එළිය අවුවේ තියාගෙන ඉන්නද? No, right? That is why we make appointments. So you have to tell the time and how many students are going there. Okay? Remember to write the time and how many students and teachers are going. Next one, to make an appointment to see a doctor or a dentist. That is a very common one. You can call to MediHelp or you can call to MDK hospital or any other hospital to a doctor or dentist. But you have to tell that clearly. I want to make an appointment to Dr. Jayawardhan. Then you have to ask for his time, and if there is any number, right? You can allocate or වෙන් කර ගන්න පුළුවන් time එක, or another word appointment time or appointment number, right? Next one, to reserve tickets to see a musical program. This question number 4 is most likely to this example in the pupils book. Then pupils book එකේ film එකක් නේ බලන්න යන්නේ. ඒකටම similar ව ඔයාට ගොඩනගන්න පුළුවන් musical show එකක්. It can be in the Sri Pali Theatre or in the town hall, right? Whatever the place, or in the open park, in Panadura Park, right? Whatever the place. So it's not Star Theatre now. You can write the place. So you are going to reserve tickets. Like the example, you can say how many people are there, and normally the musical programs are also 2-3 shows. Like if the great artists are coming, not an open one, paid one, there will be 2 or 3 shows. 6:30 show, then 8:30 show, and 10:30 show, right? So you can ask their time. For that question number 4, you can follow the example in the pupils book. Okay. Now ready for activity 13, listening test. Take your writing book and keep the pupils book open. Before that, I will disconnect you and connect. Join again, right? Let's ready for listening test. You write activity 13 in the writing book and keep the pupils book open. So in your writing book, you write activity 13. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't have to write the sentences. Just mark true or false. Okay? You don't have to write the sentences. I am reading the sentences. You check if they are true or false according to this telephone conversation, right? You just listen and check if they are true or false according to this telephone conversation. Then you write true or false. That's all. Don't have to write the sentences. Just listen and write true or false. You can start with pencil. I will read 2 times, maybe if you have signal problem or what. So I will read 2 times. Okay. Number 1, Mr. Ganeshan phoned to reserve movie tickets. Number 2, Mrs. Ganeshan was able to reserve tickets for the 2:30 show. Number 3, the movie theater does not charge for bookings. Okay, sorry, I had a signal problem. I think now it will be okay. I will read again. Right. I will read again. Number 1, Mr. Ganeshan phoned to reserve movie tickets. Number 2, Mrs. Ganeshan was able to reserve tickets for the 2:30 show. Number 3, the movie theater does not charge for bookings. Number 4, tickets should be purchased before 5:30 p.m. Number 5, customers can pay by cash or credit card. Number 6, Mrs. Ganeshan looked for balcony tickets. Check again. Number 1. Number 1, Mr. Ganeshan phoned to reserve movie tickets. Number 2, Mrs. Ganeshan was able to reserve tickets for the 2:30 show. Number 3, the movie theater does not charge for bookings. Number 4, tickets should be purchased before 5:30 p.m. Number 5, customers can pay by cash or credit card. Number 6, Mrs. Ganeshan booked for balcony tickets. Okay, now you can erase your pencil marks or write in pen. When you are ready, raise hand. Right. Take red pen, you mark. Okay. Number 1, I think you heard well. Mr. Ganeshan. No. Mrs. Ganeshan called, right? So number 1 is false. It's not Mr. Ganeshan called. Number 2, Mrs. Ganeshan was able. Was able means හැකි වුණා. Mr. Ganeshan was able, Mrs. Ganeshan was able to reserve tickets for the 2:30 show. No, 2:30 show all sold out. So she was not able to reserve. False. The movie theater does not charge for bookings. Is there a booking fee? No, madam. So number 3, true. Tickets should be purchased before 5:30 p.m. Yes, madam, please purchase your tickets before 5:30 p.m. Otherwise, this will be cancelled. So number 4, true. Customers can pay by cash or credit card. True. Mrs. Ganeshan booked 4 balcony tickets. I would like to buy for 250 rupees. No. Balcony tickets are 300 rupees. Mrs. Ganeshan is buying 250 rupees. So the 6th one also false. Right? Homework, you have activity 14. I will ask you to read your conversation. Not 2 friends, right? Only you read. Mr. Oh, again, you can write your name. And the ticket clerk, dekama taniyama read karanna. I will take reading in the next week class, right? Okay. 10 minutes we have. So I am not going for the relative pronouns. Can you please go to page number 72? Masculine and feminine nouns. Page number 72. Masculine and feminine nouns. Grammatical gender is a system of noun classification. Class karanawa api. Class වලට දානවා. Classification means වර්ගීකරණය, right? We put them into classes. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. There are nouns that do not fall into the above 2 categories. මේ categories කාණ්ඩ දෙකටම එන්නේ නැති වචනක් තියෙනවා. They are gender neutral. In normal Sinhala we say napumsaka or udasina, right? Gender neutral. Lingikatwaya udasina. There are a lot of. In Sinhala also you will see ladaruwa. No, sorry, ladaruwa ladariya innavane. In Sinhala, what do we have gender neutral? I cannot remember Sinhala. But in English, there are a lot of, we will take example, child. A child can be a boy, a child can be a girl. Children, the plural. Baby, it can be a baby girl or can be a baby boy. Right? So there are a lot of other words, gender neutral. Parents meeting. For the parents meeting, your father can go or your mother can go. So when we say parents, it is gender neutral. Udasinai. Parent can father tamaneme, mother tamaneme. Both of them. Right? Then again, then nama venna puluwan. So parent. Another one, teacher. Teacher is also gender neutral. ගොඩක්ම අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ teacher for ladies. But remember, the gentleman also teacher. He is a teacher. Mr. Pereira is a teacher. Mr. Gunasekara is our science teacher. Right? So remember, the teacher is not only a lady. අපි හැමතිස්සෙම teacher කියන්නේ teacher ලාට කියන්නේ ladies ලාට. But remember, gentlemen also teachers, right? In the ancient times, there were a lot of gentlemen teachers, but now in our schools, there are a lot of ladies as teachers, right? අතීතයේ ගත්තොත් පිරිමි අයම තමයි teachers ලා ගුරුවරු විදියට ඉඳදී. නමුත් දැන් මේක අනිත් පැත්තට ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. Lady teachers are lot of in our schools. Right. Let's quickly draw the chart in the writing book. So you all can fill with me. Draw the chart. Maybe you can use the book in the portrait side, right? No, landscape side. This side. Draw the chart in the landscape side, or you can take double page. Draw the chart in your writing book, then you can fill with me. Activity 15. Draw the chart in your writing book. You can draw the chart in the landscape side or take double page. Activity 15. Masculine, feminine, gender neutral. Can you all turn on your microphone and help me? All of you. Number 1 is God. Who is a God? Masculine, feminine, or neutral?
Masculine.
Yes, God is masculine. Less. No, feminine. Less is kell. Girl, gahanu lamaya, right? But in literature, we say less kell. Kolla kell. Less kell. Empress.
Feminine.
Yes, feminine. Empress. Let's see who is the masculine form. Empress. Grandchild. Grandchild. Grandchild can be a grandson or granddaughter. Grandson Munubura, granddaughter Minibiriya. Gender neuter. Yeah, gender means lingikatvaya. Stree purusha bhavaya. Gender means stree purusha bhavaya. Masculine purusha linga. Feminine strilinga. Gender neutral udasina lingika. So grandchild we can say to a girl or a boy. Grandchild. Munubura ho minibiriya. It can be a grandson or a granddaughter. Next one is stallion. Stallion is another name for horse. Stallion කියන්නේ ජව සම්පන්න especially race වලට දුවන කට්ටිය. Stallion. Horse, right? අශ්වයාම තමයි හොඳ ජව සම්පන්න කෙනෙක්. Stallion. Next one is toddler. Toddler is 1 to 2 years. අල්ලගෙන ඇවිදින දනගාන කට්ටිය තමයි toddlers කියන්නේ, right? Toddler. Gender neutral. 1 to 2 year. Toddlers. Ram. Who is ram? Ram is another name for Batalua, sheep, right? Ram. Masculine, ram. Batalua. Lad. Now you can guess who is lad?
Masculine.
Kolla. Yes, lad, lass. Lad, lass. Lad, kolla. Lass, killer. Next is goddess. God, goddess. God, goddess. Lad, lass. Next is Duke. Duke. Duke is Adipadavareya. You know, in the British royal family, there are dukes. Duke of Wales, Duke of York, Duke of whatever, right? Wellington, like that. විවිධ නගර හෝ ග්‍රාම ප්‍රදේශ බාර දීලා තියෙනවා බ්‍රිතාන්‍ය රජපෞලි කුමර කුමරියන්ට. ඒතර මේ ප්‍රදේශයේ අයිති එක්කෙනාට අපි කියනවා ඩියුක්, ආදිපාදවරයා. Right? I remember the father of Prince William, the Prince Charles. He is the Duke of Wales. Duke of Wales. Wales say Adipadavareya Prince Charles. Like that, all the princes are given the title Duke. ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගම් ප්‍රදේශයක් එක්ක Duke කියන පදවිය දෙනවා. All the princes. Prince, right? Duke Adipadavareya. Wizard. Who is wizard? Mantarakareya. Right? Wizard, Mantarakareya. Hair. Hair. Now I cannot write. Hair is here, H-E-I-R. Hair is Urumakarua. Urumakarua, H-E-I-R, hair. This one I will cut into two, okay? Masculine, feminine. Don't get mixed up. This is the down chart. You can't see if I write down. Emperor. Here we have the emperor. Emperor Ashoka. Emperor. Steward. Steward. S-T-E-W-A-R-D. Steward is also a waiter. But steward is in high position. Waiter ke job ekama tamai karanne. But steward works in a 5-star hotel or in the aeroplane. Right? Steward. He is also serving food. Menu එක ගෙනල්ලා කෑම serve කරන එක තමයි steward කරන්නේ. But not in outside hotels or small restaurants. He works in 5-star hotel. Right? You have to be educated to become a steward. Especially hospitality courses. Hospitality diploma, ආගන්තුක සත්කාර වගේ subject එකක් ඔයා කරලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ steward කෙනෙක් වෙන්න, right? It's about 5-star hotels and aeroplanes and ships, all that. Steward. Waiter ke job ekama tamai eya karanne. Next one, Eve. Eve is ram. Eve. Batalu dena. Eve. Landlord. Landlord. ඔයා ගෙදරක කුලියට ඉන්නවා නම් ඒ ගෙදර අයිතිකාර ස්වාමියා landlord L-O-R-D sorry landlord ගෙදර අයිතිකාරයා landlord mayor M-A-R-E mayor stallion mayor වෙළඹ Stallion mayor. Next one, heiress. Heiress. Urumakariya. Heiress. Which තමයි question එකල යන්නේ, right? Which wizard which if you have seen the Harry Potter film, lot of witches are there. Which landlady ගෙවල් හිමි කාන්තාව ඉඩම හිමි කාන්තාව landlady okay, now we have duke duchess Adipadavariya duchess so Prince William is the duke and his wife Catherine is duchess. You know Prince William's wife is Catherine, Lady Catherine or Duchess Catherine. Catherine is her royal name, right? Normal name is Kate. Her ordinary name is Kate. Her royal name is Catherine. එයා රජපෞල කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි, right? සාමාන්‍ය කෙනෙක් රජපෞලට එකතු වෙන ඊට පස්සේ රාජකීය නමක් දෙන්න වෙනවා. So the royal name is Catherine. Duke and Duchess. Last one, stewardess. Stewardess. Stewardess are the girls. E-double-S. Stewardess are the girls. Stewardess. So here we have gender neutral, only 2 words. But remember, student. Student, teacher, gender neutral. You can add. Student, teacher, parent. Okay. Right, so I have to send you dictation and you mark 12 words and practice, right? After the class, I promise you to send it. Any questions do you have? No. So we are locked up for another 2 weeks, right? But remember, when the country is open, immediately go and buy your past paper book, okay? First, we will do the Western province, and after that only we have to do O-level paper. So when the country is open, you have to buy the book immediately, right? Western province past paper book, okay. Any questions? What is this? Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining the online class. Goodbye, good night.
Good night. Bye.
Bye, good night.
Goodbye.